Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of kicking you out on Chatbot AI Nova. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search for Chatbot AI Nova and you will click here in this window. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.